Hello everyone, welcome to your course, Data Modeling and Database Administration. And this is Dr. Hassanlou, your instructor for this course. And in this video, I want to tell you a brief story of this course and also our plan for upcoming 8 weeks. At first, I need to mention you that this course is hybrid course. Hybrid means the attendance of students in the class is mandatory. As you may know, because of coronavirus, we don't have any in-campus class. That's why all class moved to Zoom sessions. And it doesn't mean that your class is online. The inherent feature of your class is actually it's same as hybrid. It means that your attendance is mandatory, and after finishing each class, I need to record your attendance in your campus portal. And at first, about the course, Data Modeling and Database Administration, you know that nowadays we live in technology, information technology era. Information technology era means organizations use MIS, management information systems, to create the competitive advantages for themselves. And it means that the organization is more successful than the others, that they can deal with data better than the others. Because for making decisions in the organization, we need to gather data and transfer them to information to aid us for making the better decision. It's actually unavoidable part of management in any organization. We need to deal with data. And that's why understanding the data and what's happening behind of this, because when we are talking about the data, people think that data is tables including numbers and concepts and values. No, data is a combination of different layers, and we see just the latest layer. It means data analysis and data representation. In this course, we try to start with the concept, what is data? And data can be saved in different formats. What is the meaning of formats? Format means data comes from different systems, different sources, and how to design all this data in a database, and how do we take advantage of these different databases in different formats. And I'm thinking of adding one actually interesting part to this course, and this is a part of data analysis, big data analysis using the software. And I think my design for this course would be amazing for you. We need to move in different layers of data, from the creating data, managing data, modeling data, and then using data for creating information and making a good decision. And then about our plan for this course. Everything for you is shared with you on your course page on your Moodle. And if I share my Moodle course page for you, okay, this is your course page. At first, you can see my profile, about get familiar more with my background, my interests, my experience, and then my welcome letter about the basic necessities, requirements for attending this class. And then you can see my contact information and the latest version of your syllabus and your textbook information. Preparing textbook is essential, because before attending the Zoom meetings, I expect you to study the requirements, reading requirements before the class, because we have just 2.5 hours for covering at least 2 chapters, and there's not enough time for going in detail. That's why I expect you to study the chapters, and in the class time, we need to discuss about the applications, about the example, about the cases. And then about the assignments, the most important part of your course, about the assignments. You need to study your syllabus in detail to find some updates on your new syllabus. In your syllabus, you can see 8 learning engagements, weekly learning engagements. And the thing that I need to mention you at first is about the timing limits for your learning engagements. You need to post your main answer for the asked question by Wednesday night. So the due for your main response is Wednesday night. And more than your main post, you should participate in responding the other students' post. And the due for the participation post is Sunday night. And totally you have 15 points for each learning engagement, 7 for your main response, and 8 for 2 participations. And then the second type of your assignments is quizzes, weekly quizzes. And the time for taking this quiz is your Zoom meeting after finishing the lecture times. After finishing the lecture, you will take your quiz. This quiz is short. It means just 5 multiple choice questions, and the time is 15 minutes. 15 minutes for 5 multiple choice questions after finishing the lecture time in your class. It means the last 15 minutes of your class. So you are not free to take it during the week, just after your class time. And you have 2 exams, midterm exam on week 4 and final exam on week 8. You have 2 case studies, weeks 3 and 6. And you have 1 final research paper, and it's due is week 8. But I never let my students free during 8 weeks to postpone it to the last minute. I always ask you to let me know the progress of your work, and I will ask you to give me some reports meanwhile of these 8 weeks. And finally, what is important for you is running the Grammarly on your system, because you know we got Grammarly premium account for all of our students in this CalMU, and that's why you need to run it on your system, and you will enjoy it. It would be a great friend for you during your writing and on your Office system, and also on your Explorer internet systems. And because your case study reports, your learning engagement reports, and also your final research report is gonna be checked with Grammarly. And the last things about the APA 7, the latest format of APA, you need to find the information of APA 7 on your Moodle homepage. And if you have more questions, you can ask Rupali, your librarian, about the details of APA 7. You need to consider this standard, especially for citation of your resource in your learning engagements, and also your case study, and also your final research paper. APA and Grammarly is essential for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you on your Zoom meeting Tuesday night. Bye.